Welcome back to my channel. We have gathered here today to join these two colors and put them in my hair.
Today I'm going to be coloring my hair. Normally I use just this one red color right here, so the Ion Color Brilliance in red. So today I'm going to be mixing it with magenta to see what happens. My hair obviously is red. You can see it's fading. It's turned like into this orange color right here. So I don't know exactly how it's going to turn out or what's going to happen, but I kind of want to see if it takes a little bit of like a red pinky shade. I think it could be really, really pretty. So this is what my hair looks like right now. Just so you guys know, I am a licensed cosmetologist, so I'm going to try my hardest to show you guys exactly how to do your hair at home the right way, and hopefully you do not mess up.
I hope.
I don't know if that's going to be a distraction or not, that big ass mousse. Is it? Is it okay? I'm gonna leave it, it's fine. I'm going to be using 20 volume developer. This is from Sally. This is just the Wella 20 volume. I'm going to start by sectioning my hair. I always section it down the middle. I'm gonna do 4 quadrants. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. So part down the middle. I'm going to do like from the crown of my head right here. And I'm gonna go down to the back of my ear. So this is going to be the first section. And of course my glasses are in the way, but that's okay. Okay, so here is section 1. I'm going to clip this puppy up. Okay, section 2, same thing, from the back of my head to the back of my ear. Okay. There's that one. And then the back, I'm just going to be separating it in half.
Okay. So, clip these up. There's 1 and 2.
So now I'm going to mix the color. I'm going to take my color bowl and my brush right here. I am going to just kind of eyeball it. You can measure if you want to. It'll tell you on the actual color itself if it's a 2-to-1 ratio or 1-to-1. So I'm gonna start with red. I think I'm gonna do half
A tub.
I think I'm gonna do half a tube and half a tube. So I'm just gonna take this one, squirt her in. My hair is pretty short and thin, so I don't think I'm gonna need too much. I have the red, now I'm gonna go in with magenta. Just squirt her in there. Like I said, I'm doing about half and half. Okay, so there we have that. And then I'm going to add my 20 developer. I'm going to start with the front. So I'm just going to start with this part right here. I'm going to brush it out. And I am going to start with the new growth. That's what I always do. Sometimes you can tend to get like hot roots if you have like super blonde new growth and then the rest of your hair is darker. My new growth is dark and my hair is red, so I'm not worried about getting hot roots. If you have really, really blonde new growth, like if you just bleached your hair and then the rest of your hair is darker, I would suggest doing this part of your hair first and then the roots last. So I'm just gonna start by getting all of my new growth right here. I'm gonna go around the whole thing. You can hear my son talking out there. Okay, so I have that, and then I'm just gonna start taking sections. So just sectioning it out and getting all the new growth. Another section. This is how I'm gonna do it for my whole entire head. Section. The sections I'm taking, I would say, are maybe 1/4 of an inch. My hair is pretty thin. You just want to make sure that you saturate all of it. So don't go too thick with it so that you have parts of your new growth that actually aren't getting covered. Okay, so I have that. Now I'm going to move to the next side.
I look like a freak.
So I have the front roots completely done. Now I'm going to move to the back. So pop that piece out here. So I'm going to start with this section right here. So I'm done with my new growth. I'm just going to try to rub it in just a little bit because obviously it's really easy to miss pieces or sections when I can't see exactly what I'm doing. So now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to kind of take the hair dye in my hands and rub it through my hair. I feel like I really shouldn't do that because I don't want to miss any hair. But for me, again, it's just easier. I would never do this at the salon, but at home when you are doing it on your own, you got to do what you got to do to make it the easiest possible. So okay, so I made sure to saturate my whole entire head, all of the hair. I am going to probably wait about 30 minutes and I'm going to wash it out. So I will see you guys in a little while. That was dumb. Let me do something else. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like in natural lighting. Here are the final results. To me, it kind of just still looks red. It kind of looks like it always looks when I color my hair with just the red. I don't know, maybe there's a little bit of a tint of magenta to it. Do you guys see pink in it at all? I don't really know that I do. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me know below what you guys think, and I will see you in the next video.